If you're encountering a data import error on Zwift, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause data import issues. Restart your router if necessary. Step 2. Restart Zwift. Close the Zwift application completely and then reopen it. This can help reset any temporary glitches that may be causing the error. Step 3. Update Zwift. Make sure you are using the latest version of Zwift. Check for updates in the App Store or on the Zwift website and install any available updates. Step 4. Clear cache. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SOC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Contact support. If the error persists after trying the above steps, reach out to Zwift support for assistance. Provide them with details about the error and any troubleshooting steps you've already taken. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the data import error on Zwift. If issues continue, don't hesitate to seek further help from the Zwift community or support team.